Hi everyone, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to make template menus with the menus feature in Plan to Eat. So if you're unfamiliar, the menus feature allows you to save a group of recipes, notes, and ingredients so that you can just add them onto your meal planner again in the future and have a quick meal plan already created. So the idea of creating a template menu is to add any recipes, notes, or ingredients that are recurring on your meal plan every week or every month, whatever your time frame is, so that then that menu can be added quickly onto your meal planner and give you all of those recurring things and all of those defaults, so that then when you're creating your meal plan, you don't have to take the time to add those things onto your planner. You have things that are reminders so that you don't forget to add anything onto the planner or forget to plan around any events that you have going on every single week. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you here on the website version of the program. You're just going to go over here to the menus tab. You can see I already have a weekly template menu over here. I'll show you that in a second, but I want to show you how I'm going to create this new template menu. So I'm going to use the new menu button over here. I'm going to rename it as new template, and I'll rename that. And so similar to when you're making a normal menu, you day one is whichever the first day you are going to be planning this menu on. So if you're making this as a Monday through Friday template, your day one will be Monday and your day 5 will be Friday. And so those will be the days that you'll fill in all of your things in through. So let's say that we pretty much do like the same breakfast every week, and we just, we do these chocolate chip banana muffins, and then every single day this recipe gives us leftovers. So I'll just come over here and I'm going to add all these leftover notes to give me this reminder that this is what we do for breakfast. And then this work that I'm doing right here is just, I'm doing this one time because I'm going to be able to save it as this menu, and then I'll be able to drag this onto my planner and it'll be there when I go to make my next meal plan. So I'm going to say that potentially I also have notes for, maybe different themes that I like to plan around every week. So let's say that Monday we do pasta normally. We'll add that note here. Tuesday is, of course, Taco Tuesday. Let's say that Wednesday, I'm going to make a note on Wednesday's dinner because on Wednesday we always go to my mom's house for dinner, and I want to have that as a note so I remember not to plan anything on that day. And so, you could continue doing things like this. You could put a reminder in here on Friday that maybe Friday night is the night that there's soccer practice. So this is the little template that I created. This has all of the recurring things that we do every single week. And so now I'm going to exit out of here and go to my meal plan. And I'm going to take my new template menu. I'm going to drag it on here for these 5 days. I'll confirm it. Now I have all of those recurring items on my meal planner, and I can come in and plan around them. So I can come in and I can add, extra dinners into here so that we can plan, for the rest of our week. And then let's say that, since we have soccer practice this day, I'm going to make sure that this is serving 10 so that we have enough for leftovers. And then I'll plan a leftover and put it over here. So that is just a quick overview of how you would use menus this way. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go and you create your new menu. You're going to add all your defaults and your recurring things into that menu. And then when you go to start your meal plan, anytime that you're meal planning, you can just start by planning that menu on your planner. It's going to fill in all of those recurring and default recipes and notes. And then you can just go in and plan the rest of the week around that specific schedule. So I showed you what my new template menu looked like. It was a little bare bones, but you could also see what this template menu looks like, which has breakfast on there, also has lunch on there, and then I have notes for different nights of the week for dinners that I might want to plan around. So just an idea. Hopefully this will help you cut down on the amount of time that you spend meal planning if you do have a lot of recurring recipes, notes, or ingredients in your meal plans. So if you have any questions, please email us at help@planteat.com. And thanks for watching.